Everyone, it's Lori. Today I'm going to do a little demonstration on a fix-it-yourself-at-home project, and this is going to be on the commode, and we're going to change the flapper. So the reason I'm doing this is we ended up getting a water bill that was $430+ for 2 months, and which I called the water company. They came out, checked the meter, found that they could see water running off and on, and which that's something that I'd already thought anyway, that there had to be a toilet leaking, for it to raise up that amount and so fast. And that just goes to show you that a small leak can add up really quick. And down in Old Louisville, it's kind of notorious because we have hard water that the flappers will pit. And for some reason, the Totos are really notorious for it. And that's just the brand of toilet that I have is a Toto. So I went and bought a flapper, and you can see it's marked for Toto. And this I bought from Wynn Nelson, which is a wholesaler that sells the commode that I purchased, and it is an affiliation of the company I already work for. So went there and bought a couple flappers because we have a couple commodes, and I'm going to go ahead and change the flappers in the other ones just to kind of prevent any kind of future problems that we might have. So anyway, I'm going to take the old one off first, and which is really simple. You don't even have to have a tool for it. And so you can see the flapper down there. It's a really easy item to remove. Take that off. You remove it, undo the chain, real simple. Here's the old one. I already have a towel down there. So I'm going to open the new one. Take it out of the package. I do kind of want to match up the chain, so I am going to go ahead and do that to the length that needs to be. Let's pull this out here where we can see it. Okay, so let's see, I probably need it a little shorter. Not sure exactly how they do that, but okay. Oh, I got it. Take this, if I can get the chain off. It's a little booger. Well, let's see if we can just wrap it. Let's see. So we'll bring this much up and go ahead and hook it back on there. See if that matches it up a little bit better. Still a little long. We'll take it a couple more lengths down. Okay, that should right there be about the proper length that I want it to be. Okay, so now what we do, we'll hook the new one on here. Pretty simple to do that. Okay, got that. Now we'll hook the chain on. Okay, so we'll turn the water back on. Get that to fill up. Okay, guys, see if this project works. I know it will. Thank goodness that I have worked around plumbing and sewed all that, and we can do these little repairs ourselves and save a whole lot of money. And I'm not knocking plumbers, you know, because they do fantastic work, but if you can do it yourself, save some money, then why not? So it's filled up now, so we're going to do a little test flush. Until it's sealed properly. I think we're going to maybe have to move that chain a little bit. But you can see it shut off. You don't hear anything. It's real silent. So that's a good thing. Let's see if maybe I can... So anyway, we got that fixed. I might do a little adjusting to the chain, but just wanted to kind of let you all see that, and that's a little quick fix you can do. You probably ought to change the flapper every 3 to 4 years with the hard water that's down in our area. If you live out in the outlining areas, if you have hard water, you should replace them probably every 5 years just to save yourself a little hassle, and they don't cost that much, so why not? Go ahead and spend that little money, save yourself some heartache whenever you get that water bill, and not have a heart attack. So anyway, hope that helps you, and thanks for viewing, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.